Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another live trading session. I have Ale and James on the other line. Let's include them in the live stream so you guys are on. Good morning.
Good morning, traders.
Good morning, everyone.
So we came
NASDAQ's
to
coming in with a vengeance. Looks like it's trying to get up to that VWAP right here.
I'm changing my. Okay, cool. So let me review this. Replicanto, where is it? Here we go. Here. Boom, boom. Nice. Bong is gapping down again today. Dollar is neutral. Yeah. Dollar is neutral bullish. I would say more like neutral. And then we have rates coming very neutral. I have demands here at 69 and then 59 and then 49, all nines. Crazy. Hopefully we will have a better day than yesterday.
Yeah, I was trying to climb out of a pretty strong downtrend. Support level on the NAS 70, high volume node. If we do get a breakthrough like 55, I think there's potential for downside. But right now, it looks like we're trying to climb out of it. I'd say we have to clear about 705 to 710, turn that into support. And we got room, of course, up to the VWAP, and then 730 level for starters. 730. I mean, of course, yesterday's close up there near 800. Not sure if we fill that gap, but if we do, it's a nice little play.
So the Nasdaq, I have an issue with markets are not correlated. Like I feel like the ES has some more room to drop. Nasdaq is holding better than the other ones. Internals opened up very negative. Although tick chart is bouncing good. Let's see where it goes. What do you like, Ale, as a pre-market? I have
The
like
pre-market
82 supply, pre-market supply.
Oh, supply. Oh, no, for my supply, bro. So overnight.
Oh shit, that's high.
It
That's
is really high.
4,800.
It is really high. That's why. I mean,
I
there
would,
are some pivots at 84,
82. I have 82.
82, 84. Yeah, my supply is really high.
This looks like an open range. Oh no, is going sideways.
Yeah, markets are the Russell is dropping big time. And Nasdaq is pushing. And the ES is just flat, so the ES is just a mix of both.
Right, I'd like to take the long, but I don't know, tick chart. I don't like the tick chart too much. Hasn't been above minus 400 yet.
Bro, I would like a divergence to the upside. That would be like A plus.
There you do you have it? You're having it.
And the ADD?
Yeah. Look at the open. And look where is that. But I think we need to get up to, I think, 82 probably. And actually the demand that I really like, it's like around 55. So it's quite lower than where we are.
Is that the high volume node for the
No, for the day, no.
no?
No, it's actually below a high volume node that is being created. Those yellow lines, I don't know if you see them, like a 4705, and it's a large area. That's the high volume node for the entire formation. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All these sideways nonsense since December 14th. That's a high volume node. Bro, we did have a very positive delta in the 936 candle, like 952 orders, more buy orders than sellers, but the candle was red and there's no follow through yet. I want to go pre-market because I do want to short this thing. I want to see what I
Yeah, the
have in
Nasdaq is
5
starting to
minutes.
show more weakness.
Yeah. Well, the first is 77 and the second one is 82. 83. Hopefully we can have a run to the upside. And then I have like like this one, like 90. I think it's too weak.
Yeah, the internals look really weak.
Yeah.
But I don't think locations. I don't think
83.
location is optimal. Yeah.
83, you say? Hmm?
Yeah, 83 with those pivots. I don't have anything there, but with those pivots, those pivots right there from the pre-market. 83, 88 is too high, right? Too much. You think?
I mean, now the chart is bouncing. I don't know. Dow is weak, but we have we have Boeing putting a lot of pressure on the Dow. Where's Boeing doing -2 today? I think I want to see a breakout to the downside here. When is the next last 5 minutes on the 15?
ADD is just flat. No clear edge on the ADD.
Thick chart is the one that is
Yeah. Let's see if it bounces up there.
so thick chart is at 0. I'm gonna try this.
What?
I'm gonna try the short right there. And I think I'm gonna scale out. Space 47. Tick is at 0. My scale out is going to be here and then here. So I don't have the location, but probably the overnight low is going to be a support area.
Got us in an ascending wedge pattern on the Nasdaq. It's generally bullish. I just not really comfortable taking a long from right here yet. We're still in like a discovery stage. Bunch of consolidation here, at least on the 5-minute. So I'm trying to stay patient, see if we can't get over like that 705, 710 level from earlier, or down below 60-ish. Trying to let it decide what it wants to do. I do have a supply level up there at 705, and it seems to be rejecting off of that right now in the 5-minute. This give it another 2 minutes. See how this 5-minute closes.
Yeah, we need to break this. If we get to the overnight like 70 and we don't get in, we get to bounce, I think I'm gonna close break even or something.
Where's your scale up?
69. Yeah, that's the thing. I have some sort of support right there. It's not gonna be
That's the
like,
thing, bro.
yeah, it's not gonna be like a free path, you know. And then we don't have
That's why
much what?
that's why I'm a little bit skeptical about the short here because we're in a demand, but I don't know.
I mean,
Like I wouldn't take it long right now.
you
That's
would
for
not.
sure. No.
Yeah, the
Internals are
overnight.
too skewed to the downside.
Yeah, overnight low is something, but
What's your final target?
all right. So I scaled out. It's 62 3/4.
Wow.
62 3/4.
Yeah,
But
that's not a bad.
what?
That's not a bad final target. That's pretty good.
I have this 69 demand. Um, $62 3/4. I have this 66 in the way. But you know what? There's a lot of trap buyers in this sideways nonsense for the first 5 minutes. Tick chart did not have the momentum that I was expecting for this move. It's 76 to 67. Yeah, it got to minus 800. It's not zero. It's not nothing. It's something, but there's not like real momentum to the downside. The thing is that we need help from the Nasdaq to the downside, because Russell is fine. Nasdaq
Yeah,
is the
let's see
one.
if let's see if Nasdaq breaks the previous candle, then we can see more weakness. The previous
Yeah, and
time
that's
high.
just bounced from like overnight low. I feel like if we get through that, you probably get your slam, like your breakdown flush point, whatever you want to call it.
Good thing is that the ticket's approaching zero, and this thing it keeps going. It looks pretty weak.
Yeah,
So
it's not
yes.
bouncing. It's not bouncing.
So
Yeah.
let's see if this bounces zero, can create more down pressure, more pressure
Yeah.
to the downside.
I think the Nas has room to at least 628, 627. So if the Nasdaq gets there, probably my trade will hit target.
So your trade is
Now,
risk free right now. So it's a risk free trade.
yeah, it's a break even if I take full loss. So I'm thinking probably, because look at that shit, motherfuckers, off of my demand, right? It's not like it's out of nowhere. It has some demand here, 69.
I do have a 5 minute trend line on the Nasdaq at like 90, so like 690. So from the 705 earlier, now we're turning this into resistance at the 690. It's looking like it wants to be bearish, but it doesn't. It's not like it's not doing the bear thing. Like it should not be holding down there. It's 55, 60 if it's gonna break.
No, for sure. But at this point, I have nothing to do. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. So right now, I'm getting 1 hour out of the trade, regardless of what happened. Regardless
I
of
do
what
like this
happens.
though. I'll be short with the close below 70, 670 on the Nas here if we get it.
I'm gonna tell you something. I know you like the Nas, but the Nasdaq is not the weakest one, bro. Probably the Nasdaq is holding the other markets to the upside. You see that?
Mm. It hasn't broken the it's low. Yeah.
Yeah, near 5 minutes. Yeah, probably the ES is holding because of Nasdaq. Um, Fangs are going down a little bit, not much. Yeah, so I might get 1R in this trade. It looks like it looks like a bounce. Tick chart lost momentum to the downside. You know, when it goes down, it tends to flush, and it's not flushing, like it's holding this 69 demand that I have here. Let me get rid of this one so you guys can see better. I don't know why he had that one, probably from yesterday.
Huh?
No, that is bouncing off of my demand 69.
Come on, give more downside. I like a 58. Hopefully we can get to 58.
Still holding 70.
What do you like, George? James? What do you like, James?
Oh,
Have you
like I
taken
was saying,
anything?
like
Or?
if we get a close through 70, I'm gonna get short here on the Nas, but like we keep wicking it. Um, I would love, I would love us to show us some sort of direction. Like uh, it's
Yeah,
not
if
really
the
doing so
NAS,
much yet.
yeah, if NAS comes down,
All right, here we go. Here we go. Nope, not quite. It's getting bought up again.
yeah, that's the thing.
I can't be bearish here. I feel like this is gonna reverse.
I do as well.
All
All right, so tick chart hasn't gotten above 0. Yeah, I'm out of my trade.
You got 1R?
Yeah, I got one. Yeah, that's why I had my scale out right before that area.
That's a good. You spot that nicely.
Honestly, I still like the short more than the long. Because we haven't gotten to like a significant demand, like 59, 55 is one area that I really like. I don't know. I feel like if we break the high here at 76, we might have some more downside. Bro, it's just coincidence that I get stopped out to the fucking tick all the time. Look at that shit. It has happened to me very
No,
often.
yesterday was pretty unlucky. It was a volatility spike that fucking stopped you out.
Yeah, it was like 3 ticks.
Bro, I think I got sick. Everyone in the plane was fucking sick.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think I might be sick. Everyone was sneezing, coughing.
Ah, shit.
Bro, I don't like wearing masks, but that plane, I wish I did have a mask.
En serio.
Honestly. Let's see.
Bro, I want to take the short again. Honestly. We're at 76. Oof. Look at the Dow, bro. Look at the Dow.
Bro, we low-key have no volatility. Like, if you think about it, we're in a range of, like, what, 9 points, 8 points?
Yeah, I was just thinking that. I don't think this is a trading zone. This is
There's
nothing. Like, it is
no
doing nothing.
volatility. A whole lot of nothing. Oh.
And the Nas is trying to break through this wedge right here,
Yeah.
coming through 90. We get up to like 705, 710. There's, I guess, potential for it to fill the gap. I can't be short until we have a breakdown of, short or long. I'm looking for a breakout of this range. This range is horrible.
Yeah, the flight is like 10 hours, right? What was that?
11. It was 11 hours.
Wow. Very
It was a
windy.
really long flight.
Yeah.
It was a really long flight.
Bro, I tell you what. I don't know. This move up is just a remainings of buyers yesterday, probably. But look at the tick chart. See that? It's not very positive, bro. And we're about to get another divergence. Could this be the short? 76. New 30.
Bro, this is disgusting. My 5 minute chart looks like a fucking 14-point buck right now or some shit, bro. This is no bueno.
Well, it's like 45 points, right, on the NAS.
Yeah.
Nasdaq is bouncing really well of the 24-hour VWAP, the overnight session VWAP.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take this again, bro. I really wanted to break 74 3/4. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it.
Bigger market.
Yeah. The chart is going down, but this thing is not. I don't like that. And my scale out now is going to be before the overnight low. Yeah, this shit is not flushing, bro. Should have come down with this move on the tick, and it's not.
I mean, we think it's been broken above zero, but it's not weak enough. You know, like you told me the other day
Yeah,
that in order
yeah,
for the
no.
market to, we need to have momentum to the downside.
That's the thing.
You know,
For the downside, we need momentum. We have no
that's what
momentum.
I don't know. The internals are not good for a long, but again, location for the shorts is I don't think it's the best.
It's not the best. That you're right.
No.
You're right. It's not the best, but sometimes to the downside, we have movements from no location. Just have sell. We just move from nowhere to the downside. I mean, to the upside, that's different.
So far, I'm just sitting on my hands. Nothing I like. Nothing me gusta.
Same.
Yeah, this is
But as
a
we can
very
see,
important area here. Important area here.
You got your scale up?
Sorry, yeah, I got my scale out.
Nice.
I got my scale out already.
What's your final target?
Like the previous one, like 63, 62 something.
Oh, nice. So basically, so with these two scale-ups, you basically have one winning position, right? Like, what do you have? Two and a
Yeah,
half
yeah,
on?
yeah. No, now I have two.
Oh, nice.
I have two now. I'm gonna move my stop break even.
Getting a retest on that 90 trend line on the NASDAQ. See if it holds here and bounces.
Yeah, most likely it's going to bounce. God damn it. Should I just close this thing?
I mean, you're up 2.5 right now, right?
I am like
But
two
I
and
don't
a
know.
half, literally.
Stick to your rules. I don't know.
Yeah. That's the thing. We don't have momentum to the downside. Eventually, if we keep tapping this area, we're gonna break to the downside. So that means that if this bounce is legit, we shouldn't have another bounce. You know what I'm saying? Like too much time down here.
Like, we should just bounce and just keep going up. So you said.
Yeah. I mean, if we probably explore this 70 area, it's going to be to continue down. You know
Someone's
what?
calling me.
What?
Someone's calling me right now. What the... bro, I put my phone into do not disturb and I still get notifications. I don't get it.
Bro, that's a lot of selling and no follow through, but I'm telling you a lot.
I just saw.
Hmm?
I just saw. Fuck. I'm getting FOMO. All right. Patience.
Yeah, this shit is bouncing, bro.
I don't know why I didn't take the 70. Oh. Whatever, bro.
Probably because I was short. Yeah, I got
Yeah, but
my
you,
scale out and break even. Yeah. We shouldn't come back actually. We shouldn't come back. This is it. I mean, we should go up and that's it.
you're in it long, right, James?
No.
You
I'm
didn't take.
still waiting for it to get out of this range. Like I
Oh, I thought
need
you took it.
no. I just called it out for people to be aware of like
Yeah.
what's going on. But like for me, I need us to be like 715, 720, and then get a retest to 710. Like if we don't get a retest to 710 and like hold 710, like right here, we're trying to get a opening range breakout, right? Like this is the high, 715. So we get through that, then we're playing with something. But right now, like we're still, it's literally called the opening range. We're still in that range. So I'm not touching it until we're outside of it. I needed to show me strength. Otherwise, it's like, what am I doing? Just playing with chop.
Who's canceling all those orders?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
this replicantos from
Right. I don't know why I didn't take that 70. Ah, fuck me.
Yeah.
Fuck me, dude. Fuck me, bro. That was a
That's it.
trade.
That's it. Forget about the shorts now. I don't
That
like
was
the
a
shorts.
fucking trade.
Probably 83, but that was a trade. Yeah. And amazing how the demand worked right here. 69.
That's why. That's why. That's
Huh?
that's why. That's why.
You see that
That's
shit?
why I was
Oh my
skeptical about
god.
the short. Even though the internals were pointing to the short, it's just the supply and demand. I think that's the bread and butter for this. Just follow your zones. Fuck.
47.80. Yeah, yeah, my next stop is 83. But actually is overnight is something that I don't really love. Too short, I mean. 83 too short. Yeah. Probably 75 to the upside, Ale. Or 74. What do you like better?
Mm.
I don't dislike 75 actually.
Yeah, bro, but man, then I'm gonna have to have like a really wide stop.
That's the thing. It's going to be 69, 6 points. But I
Yeah,
think it has room to 89. At least.
89.
Yeah. That's 2 to 1, but yeah. I think for me it's just yeah, because the thing is, if you take 77, it's more like a James type of trade, not ours. 77 and stop 74. I don't know.
Getting a little bullpen here on the Nas. Might have another few points to give us here. Maybe up to like 40, 45, something like that.
Yeah, Nasdaq is looking pretty bullish. Rosso still sideways. God, bro.
There's three like iron days.
But were you able to log in? Were you able to log in the profits on the other accounts?
Yeah, no, I was checking. I was checking, but yeah,
But why do you have to
actually,
cancel an order? ¿Qué pasó ahí?
because when it happens through virtual machines, right? There is some
Ah, verdad.
microsecond delays. Sometimes they
Yeah.
close the trade, but there are active orders. Because it happens so fast, so I had to cancel the orders. Yeah. It was just as a precaution, right? Because I wanted to check them. All of them are okay. Like I'm not showing. There's one virtual machine that. There's one that is off, but. Yeah. Jack to the teeth. Yeah, I don't like the shorts either. Right now, probably 83. Let's see how it gets to 83. But Nasdaq is looking pretty bullish. And while you see Nasdaq looking so bullish, it's gonna drag the ES.
Yeah, the entry was 70, bro. Damn it. God damn it.
Actually, the entry was 68 3/4, bro. That's the demand that you
Yes,
had there.
yes, but I mean, oh yeah, you're the man.
Yeah, I did have it.
I
Like,
have the man from 72 to 66.
oh,
66 2/4. Ah, whatever. Maybe.
I think 89 is very possible in the next hour. Hey, do you work out during the trip or no? Oh, yeah.
Hello?
I asked you if you worked out during the trip. Yo. Yo, you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
There we go. There we go.
Te estaba
Hello?
preguntando, I was asking you if you worked out during the trip.
Hello?
Oh shit, bro.
Yeah. Got it. Bro, yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Do you work out during the trip? That's the last time I'm gonna ask you.
No, I didn't work out. I just went
Oh
for a
shit.
run.
Oh yeah.
I went to a run this morning, so I woke up pretty early. I woke up like at 5:30. The jet lag. I went to sleep like at 7:30 and I woke up at 5:30. Went for a run in the morning. Then the pool was pretty cold, so I just got in the pool. Like pool was pretty cold. I got in the pool after the run, and then like 10 minutes in the pool, and
Oh,
then
you did today? Nice.
yeah. And then I don't know. I feel so productive this morning. I did my I updated my zones, and uh, it's just I feel like that's one of the one thing I love about going to Europe is that when you come back, you what is it called? You come back with the jet lag, so you go to sleep much earlier, and you wake up so early. I can't wait to work out today. I can't wait to work out today. That's the one thing I'm looking forward to.
Polar plunge. Yeah, I do that too. But my pool does not get as cold as I want it. I wanna take 5. I wanna get coffee.
Long here through a NAS. See if we can't get
Uh,
up to about 60 or so. Currently working on this resistance at the 50 level. I feel if we get through that, chance for it to pop.
are you trading the Nasdaq?
Yeah. VIX has had a pretty solid drop though. I don't know. Definitely risky up here at the highs. Buy high, sell higher. That's the motto. Give it this one last chance to get through 50. It might need a pullback before it gets through there.
Yeah, so 83 is holding, bro. 83 is holding. Let me see the internals. What do you say, Ale? Don't like it?
Not my trade. Not my trade.
Yeah. Yeah, I think eventually it's gonna get to 89, right?
The entry
But
was 70. I hesitated, did not take it. No, I just had a fucking and I did get FOMO. Remember when I was like, fuck, I'm getting FOMO.
yeah.
And honestly, I'll just take it, bro. Fuck it. I'll just take it and sit on my hands until I get a A+ setup. Nice entry. Because if I start trading like random, then I'm gonna build bad habits, and it's gonna be worse for me.
Yeah.
Honestly, I just want to start this year just following my rules, and if I miss a
Good.
trade, then I miss a trade, not jumping up and down. The last thing, I had a lot of progress last month and in the year, so the last thing is I wanna ¿cómo se dice? Like
Yeah, lose it.
start stepping back. Yeah, sadly.
I think we're having some there. Nasdaq came to the RTH view app and build up some sort of support around it.
I'm gonna cut it here. It's starting to look a little weak. Might need that pullback. If we even do. I mean, honestly. It might have given everything it's gonna give for the day.
So new 30-minute in 2. New 30-minute in 2. Yeah, we could have a retracement 76, 77 on the next 30. The only bullish is the Nasdaq.
Taking a long here on the NAS for a dip entry. See if we hold this 26, 27 level. Flushing straight through it. Oh, that was quick.
¿Hay un café? Are you taking coffee or caffeine finally?
No.
You're delaying your decaf intake for 2 hours?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's all psychological at the end of the day.
Not really.
If it works, it works. No?
Oh, for me, yes.
Yeah.
But caffeine is real, bro. It just
No, yeah.
broke your adenosine sensors. But I love the flavor though. $77. Yeah, this 77. This 77 can be a support. But honestly, it will get to like 81. Yeah. Now tick looks pretty mixed. Like it's not clear. Not really. I do black coffee, bro. I like a good espresso. But I don't do that. It's too strong for me. I do regular Americano. Oh my god. I wouldn't take the long either, Ale, honestly.
Not here.
Uh
If the
yeah.
internals, bro, ADD. If we dropped to like 72, and then the ADD keeps it like that, and we don't see like any insane prints on the tick, I'll take it. Or not. 72, just right at the edge of my demand.
I don't know.
I regret.
Here's the deal. If we come back to this level, I think we're very likely breaking it. Here. See that? We have first test, second, third. One more? I don't know.
Mm, that is true.
Besides, if we come back to this level after being so high, it's very unlikely that we're going to bounce.
I think it wants to retest the VWAP. And
Which is where?
like 710 on the NAS. Probably get a bounce off of that. It might hold 15 here as well. I don't know.
Yeah, picture is having pretty neutral prints. Like it's dropping with no momentum. Bro, both this is incredible, Ale. Both of my areas are working, both of them, like the long and the short, and I'm just having fucking +2 lucky day. It's not something that I'm very proud of, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I disagree when you said, I actually, I didn't tell you because you were in the trade, but when you said, oh, the market tends to just drop out of nowhere, and you just took it because that was your analogy.
No,
I
no,
mean,
no.
I
It's not because of that. When the market drops, it's not that it drops out of nowhere, right? It has something here, but sometimes when we drop, we don't have pullbacks. It's hard when you short, and let's just review the chart. It's hard when you short to catch up, to catch retests. It's very hard. It's very difficult. That's why shorting is so difficult for me, because there are no pullbacks, and when the pullback comes, you get burned, right? That was my intention saying that. That is not out of nowhere. Like, look, I had 76 for the second. I said, all right, we break 76 and then we drop again, and that was my second trade. Now the first one was more like we're creating like a distribution area here, and a lot of trap buyers. But the thing is that I didn't hit full target in any of these trades. That's why I'm saying that it's just fucking circumstantial 2+2, right? It's not something like, man, I traded off of my area, it got to full target, that's +2. Those are the ones that I really like. These 777.
oh, Nothing, 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 nothing.
So 89. Next up. Hmm? Yeah. Tick was clearly saying no to the short, to this rejection. Actually, you might have had some sellers there, but probably um probably no, but with no strength because of the tick chart. Bro, when they say daisy chained, they increase size when as it's dropping, Ale?
What? the daisy chain, I think. I mean, I think it would be more logical that you size down if you're gonna do if you know that you're gonna do a daisy chain, or if I think it should be more logical that you size down.
No,
No.
no, my assumption, this is not truth. This is my assumption is that, let's say your overall position is gonna be 3, right? And you have 3
Okay.
levels: 65, 60, and 55, right? And you wanna like just put them together. You get one at 65, one at 50,
Oh,
and one at 55, and then you stop. It'll be somewhere around I don't know, 50 or whatever it was going to be. But obviously, maintaining the usual risk that you take, right? I don't know, but a lot of people daisy chained yesterday's trade. I don't know why. I'm watching it on Twitter. Oh, there you go. No, it's like he is listening to us. Look at this. He just tweeted: daisy chains equal the stop loss on the first trade is placed 1 tick behind the entry of your next trade. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, bro, he just tweeted
what
it.
the?
You see
He
that?
hear you.
Do you see that? My god, he's probably listening. That's good.
That's crazy.
If you're listening, we follow this guy. It's called Ways Bocari. He is basically our mentor, Alice and mine. And I mean, we have learned tons from this guy. He's very good at what he does. And now I cannot tell if the guy makes money off of trading or not, but his entire system is very logical and is based off of this book that I've always showed. I have it here. This one is Tom Alexander. It's pretty good. So you see that he just tweeted that he had support from, where was it? 77 to 67, right? That's why I like choosing my own zones, because I get to be a lot more precise. See that? Look at this.
No trades for me today. Hello,
Yeah. Yeah,
is
just
James? Are
waiting.
you there?
He should be
James,
there.
do you live? Do you live the Discord?
Yeah, probably he got out of it.
Discord. There you go.
Oh, brother. Yeah, I'm finishing down 2R. I'm probably done as well. This got a light volume coming in here, approaching 11 o'clock. I don't know. I mean, we do have a bond auction later on today, but I don't think it's going to be too much. I know, like Thursday and Friday are going to be the big days, the CPI and PPI. So, see what we can get out of that.
Bro, you can follow him on X. That's what we do. It's basically our mentor. Um, is at emini player. At emini player. You gonna come work out here, Brain? Some good things have been coming to the gym. Nah.
This guy. This guy.
Bro, January. I think yesterday was the busiest day of the year.
Yeah.
On the gym. But very good. Very, I mean, a lot of new people.
What's the name of OPVOJ?
Pearson. Pearson. Pearson.
Pearson. Pearson. No, Pearson. My last trade was last year actually. My last trade was last year. It was the 12-point long. Before I left, I finished a year on a good note, and that was my first year trading, and that's why I was very proud. That's why, like I said, I don't want to start building bad habits right now, since I'm improving a lot, so I don't want to be taking setbacks. And I didn't take a trade today. I should have taken the 70, but my buddy here was short biased, so I didn't want to go against my mentor because he's my mentor. Franco is my mentor at the end of the day, and I like following what he does. I wasn't agreeing with the short, but I learned that whenever I go against him, I tend to lose, so I didn't want to bet
Yeah.
against him today.
I mean, I was aware. I was very aware of the areas against me, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. And
But
what
I
record
didn't want
was
to
it?
hear after if I lost the trade. Uh, oh,
I
don't go
mean,
against your mentor.
you're 72. I wouldn't have taken
70.
70. 70? 70 was great. 70 was actually great, bro. What the fuck? It was to the
You know, I
fucking
was
tip.
thinking about seven. I was thinking about also. I was also thinking about no. I was thinking about 72.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I like right after market open.
Mm-hmm.
like a 9:45. I placed the order, but I took it off, and I probably would have gotten stopped out either way because I was gonna
Yeah.
risk the whole zone.
How much was okay, that's the thing.
68. Oh yeah, I would have risked. I would have gotten stopped out. It would have worked, yes, but I would have gotten stopped out because
Bro, that's
maybe if I
why
just
that's why I like my orders. My areas. Like if you see here, that's very straightforward. That's very straightforward. We have this pivot, we have a launching point because it never came back, and you have a sideways here. If you haven't watched my video, I'm gonna tell you, I may have a very old video because the way I find these areas are not how I find locations. So this one has nothing to do with location, even though location is very good. You have the COT for the entire area. You have this little pivot, which is not something of extreme importance. But then you have this type of formation, and then you have a launching point from here at 1 in the afternoon, right? And then I have this one, 58, and then I have this one. So it's all of them are very similar. You see that? That's why I like to pick up my zones, bro, because they're not as wide as Oasis. I always had 77 from 77 to 67. I mean, it's not that I mean, it's too wide. It's 10 points.
it depends on your risk. If you're willing to risk, I don't know, 8 points on a trade, then it's all about your risk parameters. Like I wouldn't be my mental state would not be good if I was able to risk
All right,
8
let's do
points per
this.
trade.
Let's do this. 77 has to be your stop, right? 67. 67 has to be your stop, right? All right. What would be a logical target? Let's say this one, 683, right? So your entry for a 2-to-1 had to be 72. You see that? And then the ultimate target, you can just do whatever you want with this shit. But I would say like here, 91.
90? Yeah.
91. 83 was definitely a pre-market supply or a resistance, whatever. And still holding below 83. So this is a stop. And this is one of the things that I like about him, is the philosophy of having in your mind first the stop and then your target, and then you figure out your entry.
That's why.
Yeah, everything is
a lot. We're taking this.
Yes. Yeah, but everything is a lot easier if you think that way. Everything is much easier if you think that way. Because the market does not care about your entry. It does care about your stop. It does care about your target, because that's where prices are moving to and from, right? But and you know what, Ale? When I went to OTA, I learned the entire.
I think once you say when I went to OTA and I learned, I don't think it's a good analogy.
Yeah, look, they have this SET. If you watch my screen.
Wait.
Yeah. Let's put this. Shit, how do you? Oh, font. There you go. Let's put this.
Fucking ads, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I hope you're not making money of these ads, right?
Yeah. Huh? I'm making a whopping $29 a month with the channel.
Damn.
Yeah. Watch out, bro.
You're what is it called? You're monetizing the live stream stuff?
Yeah, I had to, because they were canceling my account. Like I've worked to. I mean, I want to make money off of YouTube. Not right now, because I mean we have 10 people only watching. But if at some point we have 500, that's when I want to make money, right?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but look, OTA had SET, stop entry target. Now I always have STE, and he uses the same as stop, target, and entry. And I think stop, target, and entry is a lot more efficient way to see this. Because on OTA, yeah, you figure the stop and you figure the entry, right? And then you figure the target, but you don't think about the risk and reward ratio. Whereas on this way to do it, you consider your 2 to R, your 2R, sorry, your 2 to 1, whatever, or 3R, whatever it is. So, like, think about it. You can have a very narrow area, or very yeah, you could have a very narrow area and still get your 2 to 1, or you can have a very big area and still get a 2 to 1, right? Is a lot better way to think. And I even though I took his, I mean, I started following him when, like, 2020, 21, yeah, 21.
Okay.
I never, I really didn't start thinking that way. But like few months ago, like 6 months or something, when we started.
And that's when
you
your
know.
trading started changing for the good, for the better,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like I told you, you told me like you learned a lot of, like, you not that you learn, you build habits, bad habits that you told me that they've ¿cómo se dice?
I had to unlearn.
No, and you build the habits that affected your trading in a negative way. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh yeah.
it's so you had to unlearn them, and then you had to learn the new which it's not easy, honestly. It's not easy, and that takes a lot of time.
It does.
That's pretty respectful, honestly. James.
Yo, all right, brothers, I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna grab some lunch. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Dale,
Dale.
bro. See you tomorrow.
Bro, don't be lazy. Drive
What?
here, bro, so we can work out today.
Yeah, but if we're gonna work out, it has to be early. I think it's the sauna, bro. I want to hit the sauna. I miss the sauna. That's the one thing I miss.
Bueno, you
Sauna.
come back home and you hit the sauna, but
I miss the sauna. Stress. It was horrible. It was horrible. Like, I ate good, but it was horrible. Like, I was just in bed all day, watching TikTok, wasting my fucking time.
oh really? Oh my god.
Yeah, I was just fucking in bed all day. We'll literally, I will wake up like at 12. Then we will go eat like at 1:30. Then we will be from in the restaurant from like 1:30 to like 4:30. And
Mm-hmm.
then we'll just come back home, and then, bro, I would just fucking start. I would literally get on my bed in the bed and just watch TikTok all day.
Oh no.
Honestly, bro, like the last the last 4 days, like I was, bro, not gonna lie, I was getting depressed, like straight up, like I
Yeah.
like bro, I was like, what the fuck? Like I wanted to
Yeah.
come back because I have everything here, like today I have the gym, I have my work, I have school, bro. I was excited. I was excited to start school actually.
No
Like
way.
I'm excited to start
So
school.
what time do you have classes today?
I had class yesterday at 7:50, but they canceled it. I was like, bro, I was super first time I was excited to go to school, and then I received an email from the teachers. They're like, oh,
So
I'm
you
gonna
were
have
gonna
to file
go?
in sick. Yeah, I was gonna go to class, even though I was tired from the flight because I didn't sleep at all. I was like 24 hours like straight without sleeping. But I wanted to go to class, bro. I wanted to see other people. I wanted to see other people.
I figure.
But
A little
he canceled the
loneliness is
class.
not bad. Hmm?
It's not if you're no, it's not if you're like working, if you're grinding. But I was just over there like, bro, I didn't even do anything, and that's not me too because I could have like fucking done anything. Something I could have just done something, but I was just on bed all day watching TikTok. My screen time was like 15 hours. It was
Shit.
it was horrible. I got back and I deleted all that shit. Like I deleted TikTok, I deleted Twitter. Not Twitter. I deleted TikTok. I deleted. What else did I delete?
Bueno,
Oh
bro,
yeah, just
start
TikTok.
driving, but you're not gonna take a trade. Like the short is nowhere near, the long is nowhere near. Start driving. What are you gonna do today? Little bit of everything?
Good question. Oh no, I'm gonna do chest, push.
Chest.
¿Tú qué haces?
I did chest yesterday, but yeah, I'll help you out. You help me. I probably will do back or shoulders.
Back
I'll probably do shoulders so you can help me out.
with shoulders. How's your shoulder? How's your shoulder?
No,
Oh,
they're
that's
good,
one thing I
man.
did though. No,
What?
that's one thing I did. I did work on my shoulder though. I did
Oh,
work on my
really?
shoulder over there.
Bro,
I will
definitely
literally
is
take an hour.
definitely is the paddle who that hurt me big time because my shoulder is fucking great. It's
No,
strong. It
I
doesn't
did.
hurt.
Bueno, I'm gonna start driving over there.
Dale.
Are we gonna have lunch over there?
Yeah. Yeah. Just come here. We'll do ribeyes.
Bro, I show you, right? I went to Aldi yesterday. It was
Oh,
nothing.
you can go to these all this
Might as well.
after
I
here.
just
Yeah.
buy ribeye.
Dale, bro. See you in a
Dale, bye.
bit. Bye. All right. Yeah, we finally had the breakout. Yeah, I have no other area but 89, and honestly, let me see the internals. Let me see the internals. Yeah, it's quite difficult. We might have a little bit of retracement, but it doesn't look like, unless something happens and changes. But as of right now, it's hard, especially with the Nasdaq pushing so good to the upside. The Nasdaq is what? It's going to close the gap in no time. Yeah, Nasdaq is a little bit down. The S&P is 0.35. The Russell is down big. Basically, retrace the entire move from yesterday. Hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna go work out. I don't think taking shorts in this market is something that is wise. So I completely missed the long, but I am +2 of 2 shorts on my scale out. So yeah, let's do this again tomorrow. Okay. See you guys. Trade safe. Bye bye.